Hey guys, this is John again from Character Red. So in this next video, what I'm going to show you is a little bit of how to place an image in Carbide Create. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, and what I'm searching for here is a Betsy Ross type stars. So I find the image that I want, I found it, and then I'm going to save it to my computer. I normally save it to my desktop, and then I can move it anywhere from there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a vectorizing software. I normally use this one, and there's another one that you have to sign up for. Next step in the process is you're going to actually run this through the vectorizing software, and once you get the image, it comes out like you want. This is a very basic image to get you started out. You're going to download your SVG. Save that to your desktop. I normally just do a drag down to the desktop like you see on the screen. And then I'm going to open up Carbide Create. So Carbide Create is the software that you use for the Shapeoko3 XXL, which was created by Carbide 3D. This software is pretty easy to use, but so what I'm going to do is actually open this up, go to your desktop, and then you find the SVG image that you just vectorized in your vectorizing software. You're going to click Group Elements Together. What that does it enables you to move that entire image. So then I'm going to delete the box around the image because you don't need that unless you want to create that as your union and just modify it. You can, but I normally just delete it because I already have a flag template saved in my computer. So once you do that, highlight it again, and you're going to go back down and you're going to group this selection together. Move it to wherever you want to on the flag. And then once you've done that, you can actually go in more detail and create a toolpath. This is one of the flag templates that I've got. So that's a normal 50-star flag template. So do the same process. I'm going to upload my SVG image, and I'm going to get rid of that box, and I'm going to group the elements together, drag it. So there's a couple different things that you can actually do once you get it into place and you like the sizing and everything for it. So I ungroup everything, and then I'm actually going to group the selection, but I'm going to ungroup and change the 1776, and I'm going to make that its own separate group. That way when I'm plugging in my toolpaths, I can create the toolpath to where I can do a standard Betsy Ross, or I can do a Betsy Ross with a 1776 logo right in the middle of it. So when you create your toolpath, I normally name them what the items are, but you go to a V-carve. As long as you select the bit, it will do the toolpath that you set. So I normally do a 301 routing bit or a 302. Right now I've set this one for a 302, and I created two simple toolpaths, and now I have a Betsy Ross and a 1776 Betsy Ross.